Hi fellow traders, I'm making this video to share my Euro USD analysis and a sell trade setup on Euro USD with you. I'll start with daily time frame. We have a gradual uptrend. Price has technically shifted to bullish trend already on October 1 as it started trading above this MACD predictor. There are big bullish candles, kind of Marubozu candles. For example, this candle and this candles, this candle and that candle are Marubozu candles. So these candles are showing bullish strength. Despite there is a bullish strength, there is a gradual bullish trend. The speed of rise from this to this point is still slower than the speed of previous fall. I'm talking about this rise here, which is slower than the previous fall if you compare with the previous fall. So maybe this will prove to be just a retracement and market may continue to the downside. But I'm not talking about such a very long-term trading here. I'm going to talk about a 3-drive pattern which has been made on 4-hour time frame during this upward development. So let's go to 4-hour time frame. Here on 4-hour time frame, we have a clear and kind of perfect, mathematically perfect 3-drive. This is the first drive, this one, this is the second, and this is the last. For a 3-drive to be mathematically correct, every drive should be either 127.2% extension or 161.8% extension of its previous retracement. So it's last drive is obviously 127.2% extension of its previous retracement. Second drive is also 127.2% extension of its previous retracement. Slightly above, but all candles were closed at 127.2% completion line. So there were only weeks. So kind of perfect drive. 3-drive basically shows that the price is getting exhausted and market can return to other side anytime soon, which is why we also get a divergence in such kind of development, which is also a sign that the market is exhausting and it can change the direction. So we have the bearish divergence already. Price has been making higher high, but MACD has not been making higher highs. Here is a high, here is a higher high, here is another higher high. I have plotted a line to show that the MACD has been gradually making lower highs. Compared to each other, these highs are not very low to each other, but kind of lower, because you can see the slope. This slope is not like an uptrend line. So obviously this is a clear bearish divergence. We have bearish divergence. We have a 3-drive pattern, which is a reversal pattern. So we can take a sell position, and I'll share when I took my sell position. I just waited for confirmation of the price action today in the beginning of Tokyo session, and I took my sell position right after completion of this candle. So this candle closed at 17999. My position was executed something around 1801. So 1801 is my sell price, and my stop loss should be obviously above the highest high of the 3-drive. So that is this point, that is 1838, 18308. But I'm not placing stop loss. Rather, I'll be waiting for the price to close above this high on 4-hour time frame to invalidate this 3-drive setup. As long as price is trading below it, or even if it's making a tail or wick by temporary price action and coming back, I'll be holding on to my sell position, and the target should be at least 30% of the whole development. I always say that a reversal pattern can at least cause 30% retracement if it's not gonna cause total reversal. So there are two things to consider here. One is this lower trend line, which is giving us a confluence support area made by the 30% retracement level, and the trend line where they join. I'll show you by ellipse. So here they are making, so this is the point of immediate target. I mean, if you are gonna place your target and you want to close the trade as soon as possible, you can simply put your target something around 1765 plus your spread maybe 1766. So if we compare our SL and TP from my entry point, which is around 1801, it will be 32 or 33 pips TP and 31 or 32 pips SL. So this will be a trade of 1:1 risk and reward. So it's feasible to trade because our reward is not less than the risk. This is one approach. Another approach of trading a 3 drive is trading with the classical target, and classical target of 3 drive is the bottom of the last drive. In case of falling 3 drive, it would be top of the last drive. So here it's a rising 3 drive, it would be bottom. So you can place your TP here. That will be 1724 plus spreads. So these are the 2 points. Or you can simply set set kind of pending orders to buy here and here, half of the position. If you are using MT5, there is a facility that you can place a buy limit orders which will close the sell trade. Actually, it will not separately execute a buy trade. It will just it will just close the sell trade. For example, if you're taking 10 lots here, 10 lots of sell here, and you want to close 5 lot here and 5 lot here, you can simply put 5 lot buy limit here and 5 lot buy limit here, and it will just close the sell trade, half here and half there. That will be a netting mode in MT5 if you are trading on MT5. Otherwise, you can manually close the trades, or you can simply let all the trades run. Whenever you get to the system, you can close all the trades, like you can close the sell and then those buy limits. So it's your way of managing your trades. Either you can place the buy limits, or you can keep manually monitoring and close half of the position here and rest half of the position here. So that's all about this EUR/USD trade. Thank you for watching. I'll be monitoring further development after this 3 drive trade will be completed to find out next opportunity to trade. Right now we do not know whether this will be a reversal, total reversal to the downside like I was expecting. Here I told you that it can be like this. We don't know yet what is going to happen. So I just want to see if this is going to happen. So I'll just update you in upcoming videos whenever the setup will be confirmed for taking a next sell position for